welcome to Funky Monkey. I'm Tharani and today I'll be teaching you a recipe that Miss Cook taught me. Now let's get started with the ingredients. The ingredients we'll be needing are vanilla extract, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 3 eggs that are room temperature, 1/4 cup sugar in 2 bowls. Now let's get started with step 1. For the first step, preheat your oven to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to preheat the oven to 425 Fahrenheit. For the second step, I'm going to get 2 cookie sheets ready and leave it aside. Third step, I'm gonna take my egg, I'll crack it, and then I'll put my egg white in this bowl. This is a stand mixer bowl, and then I'll put the egg yolks in this bowl. This bowl is just a normal bowl where I use to mix my ingredients. Now I'm gonna crack it and actually do it. I've cracked one of my eggs and put it in just like that because I cracked my egg wrong. So I just put it in like that and I'll take it out later. If you accidentally put it in like I did, you can just use your hands, put it under your egg, and then take it out. And then you can put it in your bowl. If you got egg on your hands, you can just wipe your hands or just wash them. Because I got egg on my hands, so I'm just wiping it. For the fourth step, I'm going to take my 1/4 cup sugar and put it in with my egg yolk. Now, I'm going to also put half teaspoon vanilla extract in with the sugar and the egg yolk. And now I'm going to use my whisk and mix it together until it turns pale. For me, it hasn't turned pale yet, but it probably will turn pale a little later. Now it's ready and pale. For the fifth step, I'm gonna use my stand mixer and whip up the egg whites, and then I'll add some sugar once the egg whites get a little fluffy. I'm gonna lift up my bowl using the hand. And now I'm going to on my stand mixer to medium speed. Now I see that it's getting a little bubbly, so I'm going to add 1 section of my sugar into the egg white. So I'm going to slow it down a little bit, and then I'm going to add my sugar. And now I'm going to make it back to the medium speed. See that it's a little more bubbly than last time, so I'm gonna add my second section of my sugar. So I'm gonna slow it down again, and then add my sugar, just like last time. And then I'm gonna put it back to the normal speed that it was in. Now I'm gonna add the rest of my sugar into the egg white until it gets nice and fluffy. So I'm going to slow it down, and then I'm going to add it just like before. And then I'm going to put it back to the medium level that it was in. My mixture is now a little bit fluffy, so we can take it out now. So I'm going to off it, and then I'm just going to unlift it. For the sixth step, I'm going to take my egg white mixture and put it into my egg yolk mixture, and then fold it until it's all ready. I've put all my egg white mixtures in here, and now I'm just gonna fold it together. Now it's almost ready. And you can also ask an adult for help if you need it. Now I'm gonna take my all-purpose flour and put it in with my other mixture. And now I'm going to gently fold it together. I'm almost done mixing it together. And if you want to substitute the all-purpose flour, you can substitute it with almond flour, but you can't substitute the eggs because it's one of our main ingredients. Now our mixture is fully ready. Now we're going to take a Ziploc or piping bag and put our mixture inside it. Now the Ziploc is ready with the mixture inside, so I'm going to cut the tip of it and then do little lines for each ladyfinger. Now I'm going to cut it and then I'm going to make my ladyfingers. Now I've put all my mixture on this, and now I'm going to put it in the oven. Now I've put it in the oven. I'm going to bake it for 15 minutes. Now my cookies are ready and they're ready to get out. Now my biscuits are ready, and when you look at them, they should be soft on the inside when you just press it, like touch it here a little bit. And then if you look on the back, it should be like a little bit brown here. So you should let it cool now because it should be hot. Now I'm going to sprinkle it with some powdered sugar. Now I've put some powdered sugar on top, and it should kind of look like this. And you can add a little more powdered sugar too. And you can also dip it in chocolate or make a Milano cookie out of it too. And tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I might make tiramisu cake using this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below how yours tasted. I'm going to show you how mine tasted right now. It tastes delicious. That's my opinion. Bye.